You guys, look at what just came. I'm so excited. I have been looking for this box for a couple of weeks now. I can't wait to open this up. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening up the FabFitFun Vacation Collab box. This box is a partnership that the two created. So inside there are supposed to be 6 full-size products, all from the Vacation brand. So they're gonna be perfect for this summer, being on vacation. Like, it's great timing. So previously, I did an unboxing video of my summer FabFitFun box, and I had learned that day that this was coming. And I spoiled to you guys that day that not only will we have this collection where you can buy it as a standalone product, but you can also get vacation products now in the summer FabFitFun box. So if you are looking to sign up for a FabFitFun subscription, I will be posting links down below for their seasonal or quarterly subscription. And then I also have the annual subscription perk where you can actually get a free bonus product if you sign up as an annual member. So I've got 2 different coupon codes down there and then the link as well. And that way you guys can choose what works for you. But what's great is that you can actually customize your summer FabFitFun box with some of these products. So as we go through these today, if you're like, you know what, I won't use all of them, I only want a couple things, that's what I would do, is just customize that box and then use my codes, get a discount, save some money, but that way you get the products that you know you'll use. Now this box, it does retail for $69.99 if you want to purchase it. You can also buy the entire bundle as an add-on as well. So if you sign up for the FabFitFun summer box, I know this gets a little confusing because they all kind of have the same titles. But if you sign up for your summer 2025 box, you can then add on this entire box for an additional $69.99. But like I said, I really feel like you should only do that if you know you're gonna use every one of these products. But this is what it looks like inside. It's the vacation pack. And they went with this like vintage theme. I've been seeing it all over their Instagram stories and just, it's a really cool vibe they've got going on right now. So inside of this box, like I mentioned, you will have 6 full-size products, all from the Vacation brand. And if you sign up as an annual member right now, they'll actually include a 7th full-size product in your box absolutely free. So this is the product that you will receive for free. My understanding is though you have to sign up as an annual member and then you will be gifted this as your free bonus item. Now this is a full-size fragrance that's from Vacation. So the fragrance name is called After Sun. It is 1 ounce or 30 ml. This fragrance features green tea, melon, cardamom, ozone, and it also has a little bit of gin in there, it said. Not like the real thing, but you know, the fragrance notes. But to get this as a free bonus item, I think is really generous. Now inside of the exclusive bundle, if you were to purchase this bundle, you will be receiving a set of stickers. So this is gonna be your first little bonus item included in the box. But then you're gonna get all of your great vacation products, starting with our classic spray. So full size at 6 ounces. This is SPF 30 and it is their sunscreen. This will be paraben free. It is also dermatologist tested, cruelty free, vegan, hydrating, and it's going to feature aloe vera inside of it. So it's going to give you moisture while also blocking the sun rays. This scent smells like coconut and banana, and it smells like summer. And it just, I'm telling you, it is summer in a bottle whenever you smell it. I am not a banana fan, is the only thing. So whenever I smell this, I love the coconut aspect, but for myself, I don't always love the banana. But I will admit, it definitely smells like summer. A lot of people love this scent, so much so that the brand ended up making their own fragrance based off of that sunscreen. And case in point, you can get it in this box. So inside of the box, you'll have a full-size fragrance. This is from Vacation and it's called Vacation. This is their signature scent. So 1 ounce or 30 ml, once again, they really did. Everybody kept talking about how much they loved the scent on this and they were like, I wish I had a perfume because I want to wear it all the time. And so they came out with the exact same fragrance. So again, this one's going to feature kind of that coconut in there. There's banana, there's pineapple. They added a little bit of the water notes as well. I do feel like they did a great job. I've smelled both of these and they smell alike. And so I think they did a great job making it. It's just, It's the banana I can't get away from. Is anybody else like this? Like, am I the only one that just doesn't care for bananas? Like, I don't even care to eat them either. It's just, I don't know, I can't do it, you guys. Also included inside of the box is a full-size mist. This one is SPF 50, and it's designed for your face region. So this is a facial sunscreen. This one, again, waterproof. I think it's up to 80 minutes again, but we have 2.2 ounces here. So perfect, you know, keeping out the rays this summer. I really did think they did a great job at putting this together in the right season. But then keep in mind, all of these products are going to be available to customize your summer box with. So, you know, like for myself, I'm like, you know what? I don't really need the perfume, but you know, I like a few other products from vacation. And that's where you can choose this as your item. So this one is their After Sun Gel. It's an aloe vera based gel. And so this is designed if you get too much sun, you know, you get a little burned, you put this on. It has an instant cooling sensation, but it also gives hydration back to your skin. It looks just like aloe. They've just infused other ingredients in there. But then it's vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, silicone-free as well. And then, like I said, it is going to be cucumber, green tea, and aloe. Oh, I didn't realize they made this into a body lotion too. So if you really love the vacation scent, they also created the vacation body lotion that has the same famous fragrance in it. So this is still going to be that coconut and water and banana and a little bit of that pineapple as well. So this is what the body lotion will look like. 2.8 ounces on this one. Full size again. This lotion gives you the hydration, but it is scented heavily. So it is considered a perfumed body lotion. That way you can actually layer it and then really smell like you're on vacation. Could you imagine? You can put the perfume on, the SPF on, throw on the lotion. I mean, like, you're gonna be a walking banana, basically. Last item inside of this box then is this product. And I gotta tell you, I'm gonna try this one. I saw it in photos and I was like, what is whipped cream doing inside of this FabFitFun box? Well, come to find out, Vacation made a classic whip sunscreen mousse, and then they put it in packaging that looks like the whipped cream you buy at the stores. Isn't that cute? So it's SPF 30. I love the packaging. It's got the retro feel to it that we were talking about earlier. So it's 4 ounces, water resistant to 80 minutes again, and it's just a mousse that has SPF in it, and then you put that on like any other SPF. I mean, I've never done mousse before for SPF. I've had the mist and the spray and obviously the lotions before, but never a whipped version. So this one does state that it's for true connoisseurs of leisure. It is vegan, cruelty-free again. If you've used this product, comment down below and let me know what do you think of it, because this is the one I'm most curious about. It seems promising, and I'm probably still gonna try it, but I'd love to know your thoughts. So that is the entire vacation bundle. Like I said, this box is available for purchase for $69.99, where you get all of these products included inside of it, with the exception though of this being a free bonus gift. That will be something you get if you sign up as an annual member. So if you sign up right now, even as a quarterly seasonal member, you can go through and customize your summer box and choose some of these products if you want to. But then also at the end, you can do an add-on and get the entire box of goodies as well. So you have a few options, but you can still do it as a seasonal member and as an annual member. You just won't get the free bonus gift. Now, I did just look for existing members because, like I said, this is a deal for new members. You can add it on, all of that good stuff. Existing members were able to buy this box as a one-time purchase, and it is in the shop store. However, it went over so well that FabFitFun is already sold out for existing members. If you sign up as a new member, they still have these boxes available. They've set those aside. So I don't know if that means, you know, will they take some of those boxes and put them back up in the store that we can still get it as existing members? I'm not really sure on that one just yet. But I also know in speaking to my rep that it sounds like there's a very good possibility they will be restocking. They just were surprised at how quickly this box sold. So stay tuned on that. I would say continue to check their shop. They also have an amazing deal coming up here in June, and it is their home sale. This is a little bit of a spoiler, you guys. I can't tell you everything about it yet, but there's going to be a lot of discounts. There's going to be a lot of sales, a lot of bundles that they're coming out with. So stay tuned for that. There's going to be a lot of info coming, and I'm going to be posting about it here on YouTube as well. But there's a very good chance that this box will be restocked during that sale for existing members. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. Stay tuned for my updates because I'm telling you, there's a very big event coming here in a couple of weeks from FabFitFun. So if you want to hear more about it, hit that subscribe button down below. Also check out over on my YouTube channel, there's going to be a tab called Post, and on that page you're going to see all of the different deals, spoilers, anything that I find will be listed up on that post page. So you'll hear more about this big event that's coming as well. So make sure you guys are connected. Check it all out. I will keep you up to date on that. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.